Updating your email address on Google Wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open Google Wallet app. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select email address. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email Address or Account Information. Tap on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Ensure that you double-check for any typos to avoid issues later on. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address to complete the update. Once you have followed these steps, your email address will be updated in Google Wallet. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.